Hi.
Hi.
Bella, hi ka, si Kuya Osi. Oh.
Hi.
Ay, tawa.
Hi. Oo, 10 lang. Oh, silipin mo doon sa second floor. Ay, wait.
Hindi mahihiya yun sa atin yan, naiinis eh.
Naiinis ba?
Binibidyo ko, naiinis.
Ayaw tumingin. Picture kayo sa tabi, ah.
44번 걸스입니다.
Sakay sa Pilipinas, Milan Cairo.
Tuwan-tuwa eh.
Binibidyo mo.
It's snowing!
잠시 후 도착버스
Tinan mo yung mga ano niya dito.
걸스입니다.
Go there.
Ayan, akala pinaro mo.
잠시 후 도착버스는 144번 걸스입니다.
It's snowing!
Joyo!
First snow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday muna. Yay!
Happy Sanggap Sunday.
Dapat ako yung nag-vlog nun eh.
Grabe kayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Salamat po. Thank you. Ay, grabe. Klaseng araw ko na gano'n ng relyeno. Christina muna si Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you, bebe ko. Thank you, bebe ko. Thank you, bebe ko. Asa si Arby?
Masusunod.
Masusunod.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Tapos kanta ulit kasi ano pa to eh.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you and wish to Auntie Lani po. Ayun. Auntie Lani. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ate Lani.
Happy birthday. Wish na.
I wish, pikit.
Saka blow.
Ay, oo, sige. Tapos kunyari.
Ayaw. Happy birthday!
Thank you. Happy birthday. Can't find my way. If salvation seems well away, oh, I'll be found when I am lost in your eyes. I am mine and knowing what I'm headed for. You can take me to the skies. It's like being lost in heaven when I'm lost in your eyes. I get me in a glance. Isn't this what's going remains? And I'll be found when I am lost in your eyes.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ay, sorry na.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Ma!
Happy birthday! Salamat po, thank you. Sabi ko, pumunta ako sa susunod na eleksyon. Barangay lang po muna. Hindi po muna ako mag-ambisyon ng mayor. Kasi meron pa po kaming
Ayos.